नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you module name difference between time study and motion study. Subject name is dairy plant management and discipline is food and biotechnology. Now let's start the topic. What is the difference between them? First is work study. Work study comprises method study and work measurement. Method study is known as motion study and work measurement is time study. Both will give increase in productivity. Then what's the difference between them? Time study is one of the technique of scientific management which involves observation and recording of the time taken in performing a particular task, whereas motion study involves the observation of the movement of men, machine, materials and supplies to find out the wasteful actions and eliminate them. Time study involves tracking of the time consumed in carrying each part of the operation, whereas motion study involves ascertainment of total movements of workers while performing a task. Purpose of time study is to identify the standard time required to perform a task, whereas for motion study, the purpose is to reduce the wastage of time and energy in unnecessary movements. Tools used for time study is stopwatch, whereas for motion study, that is surveillance camera. Then time study focuses on increase in productivity of labor, whereas motion study focuses on minimization of movement of workers. Then what is the objective of time study? It is to determine a fair day's work, whereas for motion study, it is to find out the best method of doing a job. Then what are the key differences between the time and motion study? The points given below are substantial so far as the difference between time and motion study is concerned. Time study is a proven method of work measurement which sets a reasonable time for carrying out a particular task. On the other hand, motion study is a method of recording and analyzing body movements while the performance of a task to develop a technique which excludes wasteful motions. Time study involves tracking of the time spent in performing each and every activity, whereas motion study involves the determination of all the movements or say physical efforts made by the workers while performing the task. Time study is performed to identify the standard time required in completing the task, as against motion study aims at reducing wastage of time and energy in unnecessary movements. Time measuring devices such as decimal minute, stopwatch or computer assisted electronic stopwatch is used to conduct a time study. On the contrary, video recorder or surveillance camera are the devices used to undertake motion study. Time study tends to increase labor productivity and efficiency. In contrast, motion study often helps in reducing the efforts or movements of the laborers. Time study is performed with the aim of ascertaining fair day's work. On the flip side, motion study is conducted to develop a new technique for improving work methods. Then conclusion. Time and motion study is conducted to evaluate the industrial performance by observing the time taken during various motions of task or activity. These studies are tried and tested and so they are reliable. It helps in reduction and controlling costs, improving working conditions and implementing a suitable incentive scheme for the workers. When it comes to suitability, time study is not suitable for workers where the jobs are of specialized nature as well as quality in the main consideration, but there is no such limitation in the case of motion study as it is suitable for all types of jobs. Hope you all are satisfied by this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.